Hey beauties, how y'all doing today? Today I'm going to be coming at you with another beauty supply store hair review. So, if you want to know all about this beautiful beach wave curl, go ahead and stay tuned to the video.
Mommy with the clip, walk out bodies with a bitch, bring a thotty to the whip, and she find her she thick. God damn, walking past the mirror, ooh, damn I'm fine. Let a bitch try me, boom, hammer time. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck.
Today I'm going to be telling you guys all about this hair that I currently am rocking. Let's just go ahead and get into the specs, because I know you beauties want to know all about this hair. So this is Freetress Equal Double Weave, and it is in the style beach curl. It comes with 4 pieces. It's in the color 1. This is what the packaging looks like. I purchased this at my local beauty supply store. It was originally $19.99, but they had a sale going on for $17.99. So yeah, this hair can be worn in a long style or short, depending on your preference. This is what the hair is looking like. I haven't had this hair in for long, so this is actually the initial review. So let me tell you guys how I have this installed. I actually made a Upart wig, so I do have a little of my hair, I do have a little of my hair out in the front, just like a little bit. What I did was I just braided the perimeter of the front of my hair so it can blend in. So yeah, and then I just like put like a little part in the middle. So yeah, this is the curl of the hair. I'm gonna do it like a little 360 so you guys can see. This is how long it is on me. This is how long it is stretched. This is the side. And back to the front. So this hair is a 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch. It does come with a free closure and bang. I believe the closure is 12 inches. I do not have the closure or the bang installed. I did use the lengths 18, 16, and some of the 14. I'll show you guys what hair I have left over. No, I actually used all of the 14. So I used the 18, the 16, and the 14. And this is the 12-inch bundle that I did not use at all. As you can see, this is what the little tag that it has on it. It does say that this hair is curling safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have not put any type of heat to this hair. I do not recommend that, to be honest with you guys. So you can say that I have in 3 full bundles, and it is pretty full. So does 1 pack of hair work? Absolutely, if you like your hair big. So yeah, I haven't had any shedding. I did cut the weft, so I had like a little shedding when I initially put the Upart wig on, but other than that, I haven't had any shedding so far. No tangling. As I stated, I just installed this hair 2 days ago, and I do take it off at night because I want it to last. I will come to you guys with a updated review. As I stated, this is the initial review of the hair. I just wanted to come and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So yeah, it does not have like a high shine. It looks very natural with my hair, and this is what my natural hair looks like. And as I did state, I did braid it. So yeah, this is how long my hair is in the front, but it blends in pretty well. Because this is a Upart wig, it can be worn to the side as well. So this is what it looks like. side. So yeah, beauties, I really don't have much to say about this hair. I just wanted to come and show you guys what it initially looks like, and I think this is bomb. Excuse me, this is bomb as hair so far. From only wearing it for 2 days, do I think you should purchase this hair? Absolutely. I mean, if you just want something quick that's real cute, sis, get you some of this. So yeah, I don't think I need to say much else because, as I stated, this is the initial review. So I will come back to you guys with an updated review on this hair and let you know how it held up. I did see like a couple of reviews on YouTube already, but it wasn't really the type of reviews that I be looking for. So I hope I'm not leaving anything out. I don't know, I'm feeling myself today, like, I don't know. But yeah, I hope I'm not leaving anything out. If you have any questions, concerns, just comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want more beauty supply store hair reviews, because I told y'all I am bringing it. I'm coming with it. So yeah, if you're looking for some affordable hair that you could possibly purchase at the beauty supply store, be sure to subscribe to my channel because that's what I'm bringing right now. As always, don't forget to wake, pray, and slay today. With you some Freetress equal double weave beach curl hair, sis. Okay? Okay. I'll see you guys next time, and I thank you so much for tuning in, and toodles.
Stop music. High life.
It's 2:30 in the morning. Around this time, you know we going in.